This is how I made a photo book out of photos taken on bikepacking trips that I then gave to my mates. Really, really easy. Most of the photos were just taken on a phone, and you don't have to have any fancy gear or anything to get this done. I'm going to show you how I did it, the web service I used, and stay tuned to the very end because I'll show you through the entire book. So let's go. First of all, I did a little bit of research online and found a suitable website or web service for me to be able to produce my photo book. Something I could upload photos to, arrange them in the style and format that I wanted, select the paper, select the book size, and I stumbled across a site called blurb.com. Did a few quick reads of reviews, and decided to go with it. So it's really straightforward. I signed up, and as you can see here, there's so many options. You can make all sorts of really cool stuff. They also have like plugins available for Lightroom or PDF, InDesign, etc. But I chose just to download their little app that they provide so that you can create your photo book. So I had a bit of a look here and decided like what was the size of the photo book that I wanted to produce. I went with a small square, which is I think 7 by 7 inches or 18 by 18 centimeters. And when you go ahead to try to create a book, it says, hey, why don't you download our software? Which I did. It's really quick and easy, and I'll show it to you. Once you've downloaded the software, again, you choose, the size of the book that you want to create. I'll go with small square. You get the option here to choose the paper type. I think I went with a premium matte finish. And then for the cover, I just went with a soft cover because I wasn't printing a lot of pages. So it was a little bit more like a zine than a book. Give your book a project title. It's actually not too important. It's not going to be printed on the book. Author name, again, not overly important, and start a new project. This step's really easy. Select the photos that you want to upload. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to choose a handful of photos that I used in my actual bikepacking book, or some of them at least, and show you how easy it is to drag them on to the design. You can change the design. I kept it pretty simple. For the cover, I went with a wraparound look. So I expanded this photo out to cover the front and back. And I'm just going to burn through this really quickly here. Dragging and dropping the photos how I like them on the pages. Then you need to review and upload the book. This is where you need to sign in or create an account. Pretty easy. Awesome. Choose whether or not you want your book to have the Blurb logo on it or not. If you choose not, it costs you just a little bit more. You also have an option to grab the PDF version of the book it's created for an additional small fee. If you're happy with all this, hit next. This is where it allows you to review your project. It will maybe come up with some errors, like it has here around the first image I added was outside of the boundaries. You can ignore them or fix them. You can review every page. And when you're happy with it all, just hit next. All right, once you've uploaded your book, it'll end up in your dashboard, which you can see here. This is my actual book. It does give the option to order it. And once you've made your order, you can also order it again and again. Like it'll just stay in there in your dashboard. Which is useful, say, if you were selling these books or you had more mates that wanted copies. Really cool. So how about we have a bit of a look at the actual book itself. If you found this video useful, please go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Still experimenting with this YouTube channel, so yeah, keen to know what you guys want to see. Just thought I'd share this one because it's pretty cool, and my mates thought it was pretty cool as well when I gave them the book. See you guys next time.